In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method on Amazon. To get started, open your web browser and search for Amazon. Once you see the official Amazon website in the search results, go ahead and open it. This will take you to the homepage where you can access your account, your cart, and your checkout settings. If Amazon asks you to sign in, log into your account before continuing. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one. This is important because your saved payment methods, addresses, and current cart items are all tied to the account you're signed into. Next, check your cart and click Proceed to Buy. This step takes you into the checkout process, which is where Amazon allows you to review or update the payment method for the order you're about to place. If needed, quickly confirm that the items in your cart are correct before moving on. Once you're in checkout, review your delivery address. Take a moment to make sure the shipping details are accurate, since this can also affect the billing and payment setup you use for the order. If the address looks correct, continue to the payment section. Now look for the area labeled Credit and Debit Cards. This is the section where Amazon shows the payment methods currently available for your purchase. If you already have cards saved to your account, they may appear here. If not, you'll be able to add a new one. Click on that section and then choose the option to add a new credit or debit card. This is the key step if you want to use a different card than the one already on file. Amazon will open a form where you can enter the updated card details. Carefully enter your card number and expiration date, and then link the card to your preferred billing address. Be sure everything is entered correctly to avoid payment issues during checkout. It's always a good idea to double-check the information before continuing, especially the card number, expiration date, and billing address selection. After that, continue with the checkout process. Once the order is placed, the new card information will be saved to your Amazon account automatically. That means you can use it again in the future without having to enter it from scratch. And that's how to change your payment method on Amazon during checkout. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same process anytime you want to add a new card for a future purchase.